Former Prime Minister of Pakistan, the illegally incarcerated Imran Khan, was finally allowed a brief meeting with select members of his political party. He has said he will continue his struggle despite the pressures inflicted on him. In a message posted to his official account after his meetings inside the maximum security Adiala jail, Imran Khan said, and quote, "My struggle is not for personal gain. Everything I do is solely for the welfare of my nation. I fear no one but God. I never have, nor will I ever, under any circumstances, bow before anyone but God. I will not compromise on my ideology and will fight for my people until my very last breath." The former Prime Minister said the puppet government, a reference to the political administration backed by de facto ruler General Asim Munir, is fearful of his interaction with political aides as he could formulate a strategy for a movement. Imran Khan said, and quote, "I'm not even allowed to hold political meetings because they fear that we will formulate our political strategy and that threatens their hold on power. The puppet government is making every effort to keep me imprisoned because they're concerned about their grip on power. They know that their illegitimate rule will collapse the day I walk free from prison. That is why they're relentlessly trying to break me." Unquote. Imran Khan is being held under strict measures, often in isolation, without access to any information from the outside world or interaction with other inmates. His illegal incarceration has spanned 607 days. The family of former Prime Minister Imran Khan has threatened to stage a sit-in outside Adiala jail if they are denied their scheduled weekly visit once again. Despite orders from a larger bench of the Islamabad High Court, authorities from the Pakistani army, who maintain control over the prison, have not allowed Khan's sister to meet him since March 20th. Alima Khanum, Imran Khan's sister and a key point of contact for the public regarding his well-being, made the announcement. Ms. Khanum also frequently shares updates on court cases and messages on Imran Khan's behalf. In a post to her official Twitter account, she wrote, "They did not let any political people meet Imran Khan in Adiala jail today. We last met our brother on March 20th, 2025. Our next meeting is scheduled for Tuesday, April 8th, 2025, which will be 3 weeks from our last meeting. Inshallah, our family will reach Adiala at 2 p.m., which is our designated time. If you're not allowed to meet Imran Khan, we plan to sit outside Adiala until we're allowed to meet our brother." Imran Khan has repeatedly stated that a colonel of the Pakistani army, acting on direct orders from Chief of Army Staff General Asim Munir, controls Adiala jail. Mr. Khan has been denied phone calls with his children for months, access to books and meetings with elected political aides since October 2023. A massive public protest rally was held in Pishin, Balochistan by the party of illegally incarcerated leader Imran Khan and its opposition alliance, the Movement for the Restoration of Democracy. Pakhtunkhwa Milli Awami Party Chief Mahmood Khan Achakzai, Senator Alama Raja Nasir Abbas of the NWM, and PTI's Salman Akram Raja addressed the gathering in the remote town. The speakers paid tribute to former Prime Minister Imran Khan and all the political prisoners currently held by the military government. Salman Akram Raja stated that the injustice in Balochistan, which has persisted for 77 years, must come to an end. The president of the opposition alliance, Mahmood Khan Achakzai, affirmed that Pakistan belongs to all ethnic groups, Punjabis, Sindhis, Saraikis, Baloch, and Pashtuns, and rejected any form of subjugation. Mr. Achakzai emphasized that Pakistan's survival hinges on the supremacy of the constitution. Global financial markets have been plunged into turmoil as Donald Trump's escalating trade war knocked trillions of dollars off the value of the world's biggest companies and heightened fears of a U.S. recession. As world leaders reacted to the U.S. President's Liberation Day tariff policies, demolishing the international trading order, about $2.5 trillion was wiped off Wall Street and share prices in other financial centers across the globe. Experts said Trump's sweeping border taxes of between 10% and 50% on the U.S. traditional allies and enemies alike have dramatically added to the risk of a steep global downturn and a recession in the world's biggest economy. Analysts said Trump's measures would raise the average tariff or border tax charged by the U.S. to the highest level since 1933 in a development that threatened to sink the U.S. into recession while increasing living costs for consumers.